Hello everyone, my name is Saili Rajendra Vani. Today's video's topic is data binding in Angular. Data binding is the core concept of Angular, and it is used to define the communication between the component and the document object model. It is a technique to link your data to your view layer. In simple words, you can say that the data binding is a communication between your TypeScript code of your component and your template which user sees. It makes easy to define interactive applications without worrying about pushing and pulling the data. Data binding can be either one-way data binding or two-way data binding. What is one-way data binding? One-way data binding is a simple one-way communication where HTML template is changed when we make changes in TypeScript code, or in one-way data binding, the value of the model is used in the view HTML, but you can't update model from the view. Angular interpolation, string interpolation, property binding and the event binding are the example of the one-way data binding. Two-way data binding. In two-way data binding, automatic synchronization of data happens between the model and the view. Here, change is reflected in both components. Whenever you make changes in the model, it will be reflected in the view, and when you make changes in view, it will be reflected in the model. This happens immediately and automatically, ensures that the HTML template and the TypeScript code are updated all the times. So TypeScript code, which is business logic, output data sent to HTML template, and in user reaction is sent from HTML template to TypeScript code. Angular provides 4 types of data binding, as they are different on the way of data flowing: string interpolation, property binding, event binding, two-way binding. So, string interpolation. String interpolation is a one-way data binding technique which is used to output the data from the TypeScript code to HTML template. It uses the template expression in double curly braces to display the data from the component to view. Example: in double curly braces data, double curly braces close. String interpolation adds the value of a property from the component. So property binding. Property binding is also a one-way data binding. Property binding is also a one-way data binding technique. In property binding, we find a property of a document object model element to a field which is a defined property in our component TypeScript code. For example, angular bracket open image in square bracket source square bracket complete is equal to in so event binding. In event binding is used to handle the events which is raised from the document, like button, click, mouse, move, etc. Thank you.